Making a slideshow with Windows Paint. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I call the free method, way that you should be able to pick up and make a video without having to buy anything. Windows Paint is a simple program that has been included with Windows ever since I can remember. Just go ahead and open it up. You can see this is what it looks like on my computer here. And of course, I'm just going to show you how to make a very simple slide. This is going to be an image that we save, which will then take multiple images to load into a slideshow using another program. So just go ahead and click on this here and draw a text box. And then I'm going to go back to my script here, copy the first line, and just paste it in. And there you go. If you aren't using video marketing to promote your website, that's the first thing. Now, of course, you could do all kinds of tricks with this to make it look fancier, change the background color, change the color of the text, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and keep this as simple as possible. I'm going to save it as, let's see, video number 1 here. Since I'm promoting a video series, I would encourage you to save them as something sequential so you remember what each one's called. I'm going to go ahead and do a new one. Same thing with text. And go to my next line. You're missing out on a huge, huge opportunity. Go ahead and paste that in. There you go. Now, of course, I could take the time to make that more centered, whatever. And I'm going to save that sequentially as the next thing, vid 2. So when I'm done here, maybe I'll have 10 slides, 1 through 10, and I'll already know the order, obviously from the way that I save them. Once you have this done, you're ready to go on to the next step. Again, please feel free to use any type of program that you can think of to create these slides. And once you have those individual image files, we're able to throw them together as a slideshow. I'll see you in the next video.